Okay, so we'll go back and do this example on your note sheet from yesterday just to practice. So with example 1, we're given a parent strand of DNA, and then we're asked to fill in the complementary strand. So with this one, we're just following the DNA alphabet of the A with T and C with G. So A pairs with T, T pairs with A, G pairs with C, G pairs with C, T pairs with A pairs with T, G pairs with C, C with G, T with A with T, A with T, C with G, C with G, T with A, and T with A. All right. So now we're going to use this strand of DNA to make our messenger RNA, to transcribe this message into messenger RNA using the RNA alphabet. So with that, there are no T's in RNA, there are U's. So here we go. So I'm using the complementary strand. So T will go with A will go with U, C will go with G, C will go with G, A will go with T, no, A will go with U, gosh, T will go with A, C with G, G with C, A with U, T with A, T with A, C with G with C, G with C, and then A with U, A with U. All right, so we're going to use this messenger RNA to come up with our amino acid sequence, but let's go ahead and fill in our anticodons. So our anticodons are going to be the opposite of the messenger RNA. So that's how the transfer RNA is going to know where to go, is based upon their matching bases. So I'll start here with my A, and this is RNA, so I'm still using U's. So A goes with U, U with A, G with C, G with C, U with A with U, G with C, C with G, U with A with U, A with U, C with G, C with G, and U's with A. All right. And now I'm going to have to use the wheel chart to figure out the amino acid sequence. So each of these are based on the codons. So I'm just going to take this little line tool and I'm going to divide it up into the codons. So AUG is 1, and then GUA, GCU, AAC, and then CUU. So I always divide them up before I start working. Okay, so my first messenger RNA codon is AUG. So I've got to use my wheel chart from your other note sheet. And with this one, we start in the middle with the first base and work our way out. So AUG is MET methionine, which is also the start codon. So that makes sense. Next, we have GUA. G, U, A, valine. So V-A-L. G-C-U. G-C-U. Alanine. So we'll put A-L-A. A-A-C. A-A-C-A-S-N. And then G-A-A. G-A-A. Glue. Okay, so hopefully this little tutorial here will help you with your assignment. Send me questions if you have any.